India anymore with the World Bank. In the Indus River case, Pakistan first threatened India a lot, then appealed for humanity, and now when it went to the World Bank. The World Bank has also turned Pakistan away. Actually, the whole story is that India has announced to reject the Indus River Agreement, but Pakistan has said that it would go to the World Bank and India cannot do that. But now when Pakistan has gone to the World Bank has refused to enter. President of the World Bank of Indian origin, Ajay Banga, clearly said that our role is only that of a mediator. When the Indus Treaty was signed between India and Pakistan in 1960, the role of the World Bank was only that of a facilitator. It will not interfere in solving the recent deadlock that has arisen in this treaty. This treaty was signed between India and Pakistan 30 years after independence. This treaty was signed under the chairmanship of the World Bank, so thus the World Bank have no role now. Is anyone free to break this treaty? The answer to this question is that the Indus Treaty is an issue between India and Pakistan, and the World Bank cannot interfere in it. Now there is another question, that does the World Bank have no responsibility related to it now? On the issue related to what is the responsibility of the World Bank, the World Bank has clarified that our role is limited to providing facilities only. The World Bank pays the fee for the appointment of the expert or the arbitration court through that trust fund. This was established at the time of the treaty. They clearly said that apart from this, we have no role. It is their decision what they do. We cannot do anything. They have also clarified that there is no such provision in this treaty which prevents it from being suspended by any country. The Indus Treaty was rejected by India when the Pahalgam attacks took place, but Pakistan has said that India has been trying to stop the Indus issue since before. Now India's Foreign Minister Vikram Misri has also held a press conference and has clarified the situation on this Indus agreement. He has said that in the last 2.5 years, we have offered to discuss the amendment in the treaty with the Pakistan government several times. India has followed this treaty for the last 65 years, even though Pakistan has imposed war on us several times, but Pakistan has deliberately tried to deprive India of its legitimate rights by creating legal hurdles. He also said that Pakistan's continuous silence and refusal to cooperate is also a major reason for the decision to suspend the treaty. Let us tell you that in the Indus Water Treaty, the Western River was allotted to Pakistan, while the Eastern River were allotted to India. There was another clause in this, and the clause was that India could use 20% of the water of the Western River, while Pakistan could also use 20% of the water that come in India's share. There is the river flowing in the east. The Western rivers that were allotted to Pakistan include Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, while the Eastern rivers that were allotted to India include Ravi, Beas and Satluj. However, India has announced to stop this treaty until Pakistan stops supporting terrorism. Let us tell you that whenever India stops the water of the Indus River, Pakistan's industry will be ruined. Big cities will be plunged into darkness. Everything will be ruined. Pakistan had threatened war over this.